Hey, it's Rod here again from West Central Minnesota and Northeast South Dakota. And today we're planting soybeans. We're getting down to the very end. And today we have a special guest star planting soybeans. This is my mom, Darlene.
Hello.
And it's Mother's Day, so we thought we'd treat her. Instead of buying her dinner or anything, we'd let her come out and plant some soybeans and maybe talk a little bit about her experiences on the farm and growing up on a farm. So where did you grow up?
I grew up in central Illinois, Bloomington Normal area.
And what kind of farm did you have?
We had corn and soybeans, and then we usually had some kind of animals. At one time we had dairy, another time we had pigs. We also had sheep, chickens.
And were you in 4-H?
I was. We had a boys club, and I raised pigs one year and chickens a couple of years, and I was also in the girls club where we did sewing and cooking then.
And did you have any animals that you named? Was there a special pig or turkey or chicken?
Well, the lambs, we bottle fed a bunch of lambs one year, and they all had names. My brothers even liked to ride on them like a little pony.
And we're probably going to need to know, who was your favorite brother, Leon or Sheldon?
No, I'm not going to go there.
Okay, and so then you moved to Minnesota eventually, and to this family farm. And what do you see as a big difference between the farm you grew up on and the one today?
Well, the size of the fields, for one thing. If we had 160 acres, that was considered a farm. And now that's 160 is just a small portion of what you farm.
And what do you think is one of the biggest challenges today for farmers?
It seems like the unnecessary government regulations, I think, are trying to figure out all the paperwork that you have to go through, and just not letting farmers farm.
And what is your favorite thing that you've ever done on a farm?
Oh boy. Well, I still enjoy my garden. I always grew a big vegetable garden. I don't know, just the idea of planting and watching it grow and the harvest, that's always a good feeling of happiness, I guess.
And we're going to have to turn around here. You're going to have to help with that. And while we're doing that...
I haven't been using the steering wheel at all here.
And while we're doing that, could you tell us what was one of the most frustrating things of being on a farm? Not every day is a good day. Can you think of anything that makes it frustrating to be a farmer?
Well,
maybe a weather event or...
Well, of course, the weather is always a factor. You've got to work around the weather, but there's nothing we can do about that. And maybe the time constraints sometimes. Have to put in long hours some days, and then again some days you're free. But it seems like there's always something to do. Even without animals, there's still a lot of things to be doing.
Is there anything else you'd like people to know about our family farm?
Well, our home farm is one that my husband grew up on and continues to be on the farm. His parents owned the farm and they farmed there, so we're working on third and fourth generations on our family farm right now.
And who do you think is going to be the next generation? Any guesses?
Well,
I've got 3 girls, Aspen, Paige, and Josie, and they're all pretty young yet. They're 9, 10, and 12. So we'll see what happens there. It's a long ways off yet.
but there are a lot of women farmers now, so we don't want to disregard the idea that the possibility of one of them could be interested in taking over the farm. You never know.
So today, that's our little update from our farm.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day in northeast South Dakota. It's probably 75 degrees and no wind, and just the sun is out, and a lot of farmers are getting the work done today. It's a great day to be here and working out in the country. And so thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Happy Mother's Day.
So long.